English to Danish. I need means
Jeg har brug for.
welcome. Hey you, velkommen. Ready to master one power phrase in Danish? This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today your superpower is I need in Danish.
Jeg har brug for.
Say it with me, nice and clear. Great. Keep that rhythm in your mouth. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask for essentials with calm, Nordic confidence. Core phrase.
Jeg har brug for.
Equals I need. Right now. I need water right now. Say.
Jeg har brug for. Vand.
Leah knew. After work. I need to rest after work. Say.
Jeg har brug for. At hvile.
Efter arbejde. Question form. Do you know why I need help? Ask.
Ved du, hvorfor? Jeg har brug for. Hjælp.
Mini dialogue at the cafe. Act this out with me. Yes, you're the star. Barista, friendly, can I help you? You. Yes.
Jeg har brug for. Kaffe.
Please. Barista. Absolutely. You both smile. Bonus. If you don't need something, say.
Jeg har ikke brug for.
Example.
Jeg har ikke brug for. Sukker.
Single quote. Rhythm drill. Lock it in with a beat. Clap, 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 rest and chant.
Jeg har brug for.
Add a noun.
Jeg har brug for. Vand.
Try.
Jeg har brug for. Ro.
Quiet. Do the gesture. Hand on chest, other palm open while saying it. Quick practice. Your turn, fill the gap, then repeat after me. I need more time. Say.
Jeg har brug for. Mere tid.
At the pharmacy. I need something for a headache. Say.
Jeg har brug for. Noget mod hovedpine.
Travel day. I need an umbrella. Say.
Jeg har brug for. En paraply.
Tired? I need to rest. Say.
Jeg har brug for. At hvile.
Mindset. Want versus need. Avoid the classic mix-up right now. Don't confuse I want with I need. In Danish, I want is.
Jeg vil have.
I need is.
Jeg har brug for.
Need is stronger, use it when it really matters. Culture tip. Hygge. A cozy Danish superpower you'll love. After a long day, many say.
Jeg har brug for. Hygge.
I need cozy time. Picture blankets, candles, and calm conversation. It's respectful to express needs clearly in Denmark. Quick quiz. Answer out loud. I'm listening with my podcast ears. 1. How do you say I need in Danish? Answer.
Jeg har brug for.
2. True or false?
Jeg har brug for.
Means I want. Answer. False. 3. Fill it. I don't need equals.
Jeg har ikke brug for.
4. Say, I need help quickly.
Jeg har brug for. Hjælp.
Final challenge. Role play 3 moments with confidence. In a shop.
Jeg har brug for. En menu.
Talk. At home.
Jeg har brug for. Ro.
Single quote. On a hot day.
Jeg har brug for. Vand.
Leah knew. Nail it 3 times in a row. Goodbye. You did great, seriously. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Jeg har brug for.
With different nouns and revisit this episode to sharpen your flow. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content and resources.
Vi ses.
Next time.